Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Character AI group chat. The first thing I want you to do is launch up Character AI, and then you'll see this plus icon at the bottom, okay? Click on the plus icon, so it will give you this pop-up, right? So it says create here at the very bottom, select group chat. Now you can choose between your recent chats. I can select both of these, and these characters would be added to my group chat as soon as I click on create group chat. If you want to add other people, you can search them up. For example, let's search for Isagi, right? And then we can add him here as well. So we'll do this one, Isagi Yoichi, and we have added someone else from search. And you can name your group. So you come here at the top, click on this pencil icon, and you can name the group. Okay, so there we go. I have named it to friends group chat, and then all you need to do is click on create group chat, and you can start using the group chat. As you can see now, they're chatting with each other, and it's really that easy and simple.